Woon Sen is a popular Thai salad dish. It is so refreshing and has a perfect balance of savory, citrusy, sweet, and spicy. It is absolutely perfect for the summer. Hello everyone, it's me again, CiCi, and today we're going to make Woon Sen. It's my favorite salad of all time, and it's about to become your favorite too. First, soak the glass noodles in water for about 5 minutes. To make the dressing, mix together all the seasonings. Bird-eye chili. And minced garlic. In a small pan, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And stir-fry the peanut in low heat for about 2 minutes until they are lightly browned. Drain the oil and set aside. In the same pan, add the dry shrimp and stir-fry in low heat until they're crispy for about 2 minutes. This is going to add a lot of umami flavor to the salad. Drain and put aside. In a pot, add about 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Cook the noodles in it for about 30 seconds. And rinse in cold water. I didn't show it in the video, but if you do it, the noodles will stop cooking. And put it aside. In the same pot, we're gonna boil the shrimp over medium-high heat until they turn pink for about 1 minute. Drain and set aside. In the same pan, we're going to throw away most of the water. Leave about 5 tablespoons of water left in here. Transfer the minced pork. Add the fish sauce. Cook on high heat for about 3 minutes until they're well done. Drain and set aside. Now, this is the fun part. To assemble the salad in a large mixing bowl, add the onion, Chinese celery, grape tomatoes, cilantro, glass noodles, dry shrimp, minced pork, and the dressing. Toss everything all together. Serve on a plate and top with peanut. What is your favorite type of salad? Comment below and let me know. And if you're interested in more Asian recipes, always check out my website, cicilee.tv. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Bye now!